This first background technique is line design. For the line design, we're going to draw some sort of design with shapes in the background or with lines. So think of like a Zentangle or just a repeated design. I'm starting by outlining the contour of this apple so that it still stands out from the background design that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to use rectangles and repeat those around the form of my apple. So you want your main focus to still be whatever subject you drew. So my apple, I still want to stand out amongst all of these shapes that I'm going to be drawing. So in order to help it to stand out, I'm drawing my design going around the outside. I'm not just randomly placing shapes and squares and rectangles into the background. I am going around the outside of my object. I'm going to continue expanding around this, drawing larger rectangles. You could bring in different shapes, triangles, circles, whatever you want for your line design. Again, it could be Zentangles or just repeated lines. You can draw stripes, but be creative with it. Take your time, come up with a cool pattern for your background. Continue to make sure that shape or your focus is still in the center on your focal point. Another idea could be drawing lines kind of pointing in towards it. So for example, I'm drawing these rectangles now that are all pointing in towards the apple, and these are creating a directional line that is drawing the viewer's eye in towards the apple more, kind of framing it by wrapping this design around the outside. Then I'm going in and filling the space, so fill the entire background with your design. Think about too if you want to go back in with color. So here's my apple that was added with the color, but the background, think about adding either watercolor, colored pencil, really add as much detail as you can if you have the time to continue working and continue adding more and more detail to really make this drawing come together.